based on the Space Hub concept model unveiled at CES 2024, proposing the new value of EVs as a space for people that Honda will offer with its future EV models. The company has now presented the prototype of a midsize EV SUV, which will be the first Honda 0 Series model. By applying the thin, light, and wise approach to an SUV, the interior space was further increased, and a spacious cabin was achieved with an outstandingly clear and unrestricted field of view, with great flexibility. Alongside the wide variety of next-generation technologies, the Honda 0 SUV will apply high-precision attitude estimation and stabilization control. This is based on 3D gyro sensors, technology Honda has amassed through the development of its original robotics technologies, to enable dynamics at the will of the driver on various road surfaces. The production model of the Honda 0 SUV is scheduled to be introduced first in North American market in the first half of 2026, then in global markets, including Japan and Europe.